masyado marinig. Ready na ba kayo? Siyempre, of course, ang ating direktor, tatawagin na rin natin in just a little bit. O diba? Para magandang simula ng ating linggo, Lunes na Lunes, pero happy agad tayo for this first week of July. O diba? Ang bilis, no? So pwede na tayo mag-roll ng ating ideas. So dito yung mga fans ni Sian Lim. Yun, hello. And of course, the fans of Cindy Miranda and Max Natafon. So I see Maxine Alex. Nandiyan, Alright, and here he is. Tawagin natin ang multi-talented director. We have Direk Sian Lim.
I know what you've been doing.
Hello.
You
Wow.
can't hide from me.
Please join me over here. Hi, Direk. Good to see you again. Congratulations on Kumandong.
Hello everyone. I hope you guys can support Kumandong. Thank you so much for joining us at premiere night. And titignan pa lang sa mga bahay. Hi everyone. I hope you guys can support Kumandong. Bukas na pa ang opening day. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the film.
Hi. Of course, July 3 showing in cinemas nationwide. And also, what's special about the film? You also shot abroad, di ba, Direk?
Yes, 90% of the film was shot in Thailand. So kung gusto nyo matakot, kung gusto nyo isama buong barangay, gusto nyo isama si nanay, si lola, mga kaibigan, sama nyo na po. This is a film para sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
Okay, maraming salamat, Direk. So please stay there for a little bit. We'll just have fun. Okay.
Hey, direct. Wait. Stance ako. Wala.
English.
Dynamic in the film is very intense. Yeah, and it's making me, so impressed. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Direk, salamat, Direk. Miss Iris, thank you so much. Salamat, Thank you po. Sana nagustuhan niyo po. Maraming salamat.
Guys, one more time please for our Visa. Thank you everyone sa lahat po na mabubuo itong pelikulang to. Please palakpakan po natin sila. And sa inyo po lahat, this is for you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the love.
Sana may susunod pa. Direct, sana may susunod pa.
All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. July 3 in cinemas nationwide. Hashtag is Kumantong and hashtag Kumantong Premiere Night. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Have a good rest of the evening. Bye!
Direct, pwede pa picture. Picture mo ba? Isang kasi. 7 direct.
Congrats, Miss Iris. Grabe. Congrats, Direxia.
Thank you.
Ang hirap Ang hirap Oo, sa kabila kami.
Ha? Oo. Ano ko sa'yo?
Gina.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, Dian. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Hindi kasama sa atin? Ano? May time kayo
Hindi daw ako kasama.
Okay. Okay, wagi na. Tara. Si Madam hindi doon ako. Si Madam hindi doon ako. Miss Iris, what can you say na finally na show na?